Hyperconjugation effect. It is a special type of resonance involving delocalization of sigma and pi electrons. It is also called no bond resonance or Baker-Nanton effect. It is a permanent effect. Okay. Now definition is the interaction of sp3 orbital and s orbital. In between these two orbital, the bond takes, that means the bonding is just sigma bond, because it is a head-on overlapping takes place. Sigma bond with the unhybridized p orbital of the adjacent carbon atom is known as hyperconjugation. Okay. For the formation of hyperconjugation, there should be attachment of one hydrogen atom at alpha carbon atom. That means there should be an alpha hydrogen atom with respect to the sp2 hybridized carbon. Hence it is that is why it is common in carbonium ions and alkenes. Suppose we will take one example. See here, that is a carbonium ion, that is ethyl carbonium ion. The hyperconjugation in ethyl carbonium ion. See here, this is your CH3 CH2 plus, that means ethyl carbonium ion, and this is the, that means open structure of this one. Okay, this is not the extended form of the structure. So see here what happens when there is a, suppose here in this case, when the bond goes to this position here, what happens in between carbon and hydrogen, there is no bond, and hydrogen becomes deficiency of electron, so it becomes H plus. Okay, now in between these two there is no bond. Now this bond comes to this position, it becomes double bond and the positive charge is satisfied. Okay, either ये possible हो सकता है. Next again और एक रेजोनेटिव स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स और एक हो सकता है, अगर मैं ये वाला हाइड्रोजन ना लेके साइड वाला हाइड्रोजन लूँ बॉन्ड, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये दोनों में बॉन्ड रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, ये दिस बिकम्स H प्लस, ये एज यूजुअल रह जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस बॉन्ड अगेन गोज टू, यहाँ पे वो बॉन्ड ना जाके ये बॉन्ड अगर जाएगा तो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा, या ये H प्लस हो जाएगा. ये स्ट्रक्चर एक पॉसिबल हो सकता है. या थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर क्या हो सकता है कि आपका अगर मैं ये वाला बॉन्ड लूँ, यहाँ पे जाके डबल बॉन्ड हो सकता है, तो अगेन ये सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा, ये कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच बॉन्ड चला जाएगा. दैट मीन्स इट बिकम्स H प्लस. सो हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर? दैट मीन्स दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर 1, ये भी एक स्ट्रक्चर 2, ये भी 3. Similarly in case of propene, what happens? CH3 CH double bond CH2. What happens here if this bond goes to this position, this carbon becomes pentavalent and this bond goes to carbon. So now there is again this type of structure possible. This becomes H plus and there is no bond. And when it comes to this position, this becomes double bond and the carbon becomes negative. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल हो सकता है. या अगर आप बोलोगे दिस हाइड्रोजन को लेना है, ये बॉन्ड लेना है, तो यहाँ पे H प्लस आयन, ये स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. दिस इज योर नंबर 2. और आप बोलोगे नहीं मैं नीचे वाला लूँगी, ये ऐसे ही रहने दे, तो ये बॉन्ड अगर यहाँ पे जाएगा, ये साइमल्टेनियसली फॉर्मेशन होगा, तो आपका थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल हो सकता है. तो दीज आर द 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स पॉसिबल इन. Now here the above examples of hyperconjugation structures is actually in between carbon and hydrogen due to migration of the sigma bond or sigma electrons. The bond between carbon and hydrogen disappears, which is known as no bond resonance. But that doesn't mean that hydrogen atom is completely detached from the structure. It indicates some of the degree of ionic character in the CH bond and some single bond character between the carbon-carbon double bond. Now application में एक important हम पढ़ेंगे stability of alkene. Stability of alkene is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogen and which is directly proportional to the number of resonating structures. Now suppose this is an alkene to which this is alpha carbon, 3 alpha hydrogen is there. Here this one is the functional group, this is alpha carbon, 2 alpha hydrogen is there. This is 1 alpha hydrogen atom is there. So greater is the number of alpha hydrogen atom, greater is the stability of the alkenes, because this is the highest, then this one, because here 3 alpha hydrogen, here 2 alpha hydrogen, here 1 alpha hydrogen is there. Okay.